So now I'm going to show you some molecules for which we are going to find chiral carbon. So here are two taken from questions. If you can see the left molecule and the right molecule, which has how many carbons. So if you can circle the chiral carbons in the left molecule and the right one. And if I had to do it on the left one, the way I see it is, I don't even check for the ones I'm crossing out. There's no point checking those because they have CH2s. The only one I'm interested in is this one. And to check that, I have to check its line of symmetry around the two cyclic parts. Like slice the cycle in the middle where that fellow is dead center on the line. Then I realize that both the sides are CH2, 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 CH2. They're identical. Which means this is not chiral. But the similar molecule on the left, similar guy, you don't check the CH2s, but when you make the line of symmetry, you realize for the CH3, the two sides are different. So that's a chiral center, and this is a chiral center. So for cyclic compounds, just by looking at them, you get an idea, symmetry, and then you look for the nodes, which are basically 3 bonds shown. If you look at the nodes that are 3 bonds shown, then only will you start seeing if they have chiral centers. The other ones you don't see at all. You don't need to see. There is no point in seeing. Now here are molecule number 3. Can you tell me in this molecule number 3 how many chiral centers are there? And let's say in my thing I'm going to ignore the ones I'm highlighting in purple. So the ones I'm highlighting in purple are not chiral carbons. Those are the ones that have CH2. But the other one I'm circling is the one with the double bond shown, because the double bonds do not have chiral. Then the only one I'm really looking at is the one I'm going to color in yellow. Is that chiral? Well, it has 3 different bonds. So the fourth is hydrogen. And its line of symmetry, the two sides are not the same because of this extra CO. Now, because there is no symmetry, it's what we call asymmetrical, which is not symmetrical. Therefore, that carbon is chiral. So this fellow has 1 chiral center. All right. Now I'm going to show you some more trickier molecules. Now think of this as molecule number 4. Now you're like, wait a minute. Then just the situation become extreme all of a sudden. Yes, it has. This is a very large molecule. And we're like, how do I check for all of this? Well, when you get a very large molecule, you really throw out the symmetry, because there's no way there is any symmetry here. Because it's such a lot. Look at the molecule, right? And then what you do is you rule out all the nodes that are CH2s and CH3s. So let me highlight them in purple, the ones that you will rule out. So these are the ones that you will rule out, because they're all CH2s or double bonds. CH2s, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, CH3. These are all the ones I've ruled out. Now I'm going to color the ones in yellow, the ones that seem to have 3 bonds shown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I've circled 9. Let's see if they all are chiral or not. So I'll start with my red pen. Is this one chiral? I'm going to cross out not chiral, tick mark chiral. So is this chiral or not? Well, for this fellow, the top is a CH3 and the left is right is a CH3. So even though it might have a 4th H, it has 2 CH3s and it is not chiral. Same case on this fellow right there. It's not a CH2, but it has a C with 2 CH3s, which makes it also 2 groups of the same. So it's just not chiral, because all 4 have to be different. So now definitely no, not have those. Now everything else seems to be like the one I'm pointing to right here. This one is a node that has 3 bonds shown.
Quick pause. If you're finding value in this explanation, there's so much more to discover at Alt Academy, where we break down every A-level concept with the same clarity. Now back to the video lesson.
And because it's 3 bonds shown in a cyclic and the 4th one is hydrogen, it is definitely going to be cyclic, chiral. And that's the same story with almost everything else right here. 3 bonds shown, this side is different than this side, this is different, and H. For this fellow that I'm pointing at now, counterclockwise is C double bond O, clockwise is C, not the same, definitely different, and this car is CH2. And this fellow is also different because these two sides might look the same, but the next bonds are different. You gotta go through the whole pathway for this. You gotta check this, and you gotta check that. And what you start realizing is that in a large organic molecule like the one I've shown you, if you can find nodes which are carbons where the 3 sticks are shown or 3 bonds are shown and it's in cyclic, it most likely is a chiral center because it's not going to look symmetrical. And that's the shortcut to doing this. Literally is. I can show it to you for other molecules also, basically. And it works. Always works. Okay? I mean, this trick of, what am I going to do? Of finding what? A node, there are 3 bonds shown. Let me show you another one. Here. Right there. This actually seems a little easier now, doesn't it? So first of all, I will now cross out without highlighting them the ones that are CH2s. No point, no point, no point. In fact, forget crossing out. You should only first highlight the ones that have 3 bonds shown. So that's this fellow, 3 bonds shown, right? This fellow, 3 bonds shown, 3 bonds shown, 3 shown, 3 shown, 3 shown, 3 shown, 3. Outside the branches is OH, Cl and a CH3. Cannot be CH2, 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 not. Then everything else. Since there's no symmetry, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chiral. And that's literally it. Actually. Absolutely that's it. Okay. Another molecule I'll show you. I'm going to give you guys to try some out too. But one more example. This is cholesterol I'm showing you at the bottom. Now for this, it's a little more. You got a carbon with 3 bonds, 2, 2, 4 you also count. But the CH2 you do not count. And the carbons in the double bond you do not count. CH2 you do not count. CH3 you do not count. CH2, CH2, no. This one, this one, this one. CH3, CH2, 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 CH, this one, and let's do our CH3s. So these are the ones I'm even going to check you. That I'm going to show you. These are the only ones you're going to check. The others we're not going to check because they're CH2s. So let's check this one. Because it has 2 CH3 sticks shown, this one is not. The second one I'm pointing to has a CH3 and 2 large sticks. The 4th bond is H. All 4 different it is. And every other circle that is inside a cyclic that has 3 or 4 bonds shown that are single has to be, because it's not symmetrical. So now this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 8 chirals right here. Alright. So, this next molecule, I want you to try it first before I do. It's one of my favorite natural molecules. It helps me grow muscle mass and lose weight. It's called testosterone. So now this is a testosterone molecule. Can you find the number of chiral centers in this molecule? Okay, so here I'm gonna this is how my speed of doing this is. Triple node, quadruple node, no, double, quadruple, triple, CH2, CH2. Now I won't check this because double bond, CH2, CH2, yes. So there you go. I found how many? 6 right here. Then I have this molecule. Could you find the number of chiral centers in this molecule? And the second one on the right. So the left molecule and the right one. Artemisinin and hydrocortisone acetate. So if I start with the left one, node. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I missing some? Oh, right there, 7. This one has 7. And the one on the right seems to have no. Yes, yeah. And nothing here because CH2, double bond, CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you might wonder, what is this OCO? OCO is just an ester written the opposite way. So this whole thing is actually right here. And now no chiral center. So both of them have 7 each. Alright.
Hey there! If you found this A-level chemistry lesson helpful, why don't you head over to our website, altacademy.org, where you can sign up for the full A-level chemistry course. In addition to chemistry, you can sign up for physics, biology, math, or 4 other A-level subjects. Thousands of students have already taken the leap. What are you waiting for?